Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how we can be able to stake our SOL on the stake.blaze stake platform using the step validator and earn BSOL, which we can now swap to get MSOL and stake on the Solend platform. So let's dive right in. So the first step is we'll go to the stake.solblaze.org probably /app platform, and then we'll click on stake. Right now we're on the platform. The next thing we want to do is go to custom validator. Now while at custom validator, there's a whole lot of staking platform here, different validators, but we are interested in StepFinance. So I'll search for Step, and there you go, we have StepFinance. I'll click stake, and now it's showing stake support StepFinance. So we'll be using the StepFinance validator. I'm gonna impute 2 SOL, and that's gonna give me about 1.8702 BSOL. I'm going to click on stake. Already my wallet is connected, so all I have to do is just to approve the transaction. Successfully staked. So at this point, we currently have BSOL in our wallet. Let's go to our step.finance dashboard to confirm. Now let's check our dashboard to see if we have BSOL. Currently now you see we have 1.8717 BSOL, worth about $43. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to swap, and I'm going to do BSOL, maximum BSOL. I want to swap that to MSOL. I'm going to get about 1.77 MSOL. Okay, there's a high price impact here. I'm going to change the route, and this is better. Okay, now I'm going to swap. So I've just swapped my BSOL into MSOL. Let's go to my dashboard. We have MSOL. Now you see MSOL is a yield bearing asset here. We'll come to Solend. Now that I'm on the Solend platform, the next thing to do is to connect my wallet to the Solend platform, and then come to supply my MSOL. I'll click on MSOL. I'll click maximum to supply all my MSOL, and I'm going to hit supply. And I'm trying to verify the transaction. Approve. Now I've successfully staked my MSOL on the Solend platform. Now I currently have my MSOL, which is yielding interest on the Solend platform. I'll go back to my step.finance platform to confirm, and I might just refresh my wallet. Okay, now what you see here is that I have MSOL, okay, and then I also lend the MSOL on the Solend platform. So that's the same asset you're seeing here. I lent the asset on the Solend platform, and yep, so that's it. I can decide to close my positions. Yep, can decide to close my positions, and I can decide to just let my positions continue to fly, and that's just it. If I want to close my position, all I need to do is to click to cancel, and this position is going to close. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Do have a great day ahead. Bye from here.